If you use Microsoft Word often, learning how to create a bulleted list is one of those simple skills that can instantly make your documents cleaner, easier to read, and more professional. In this video, I'll show you 2 quick ways to make bulleted lists in Word, including the fastest automatic method and the standard ribbon method. And if you find this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips, shortcuts, and easy how-to guides. Let's start with the fastest method. This is perfect when you want Word to automatically turn your typing into bullets. First, click anywhere in your document and move to a new line where you want the list to begin. Then type an asterisk, which looks like this, star. Right after that, press the space bar or the tab key. As soon as you do that, Microsoft Word will automatically convert it into a bullet point. Now just type your first item. When you're ready for the next line, press enter and Word will create the next bullet for you. This method is especially useful when you're making quick notes, outlining ideas, or typing lists as you work. It saves time because you do not need to use the mouse or search through menus. You can just keep typing and let Word format the list for you. If it doesn't happen automatically, make sure autocorrect and automatic bulleted lists are enabled in your Word settings. Now let's go over the second method, which is the one most people use from the ribbon at the top of Word. To do this, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the paragraph section, you'll see the Bullets button. It usually looks like a small set of dots next to horizontal lines. Click that button and Word will start a bulleted list on your current line. Now type your first item. When you press enter, Word will move to the next bullet automatically. This is a great method if you want more control over the formatting or if you prefer using the toolbar instead of keyboard shortcuts. It's also helpful if you're editing an existing document and want to convert regular text into a list. You can highlight the lines you want to format, then click the bullets button to apply bullets to the selected text. If you want to stop the bulleted list, just press enter twice or click the bullets button again to turn it off. You can also customize your list by choosing different bullet styles from the drop-down arrow next to the bullets button. That lets you switch from basic dots to squares, check marks, arrows, or other styles depending on the look you want. So to quickly recap, the fastest way to make a bulleted list in Microsoft Word is to type an asterisk and press spacebar or a tab, then keep typing and press enter for each new bullet. The manual way is to go to the Home tab and click the bullets button in the paragraph group. Both methods are simple. Both are useful, and once you know them, creating clean lists in Word becomes much easier. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Microsoft Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.